Welcome to Unboxing with a Cat and a Dog. I know it's not Sheba, but Sheba's been crazy lately. Like, I can't even film when she's on. I think it's because I was giving her soft food, and sometimes there's like these bad batches and the cats just start throwing up. So I stopped giving them the soft food and only the hard, and now she's mad. Yeah. Okay. I'm not exactly sure what's in here, so let's see. Ukrainian treasures. Did I order something from the Ukraine? I don't know. Ukrainian treasures? What? There's a box and a box and a box and a box. What is this thing? It says Eco. Oh, it's got my name on there. What? I really have no idea what the fuck this is. Is it something I ordered on Etsy? Might have been something from Etsy. It's a nice little package. Oh yeah, it is from Etsy. Prits. Oh shit. Yeah, okay, so this is one of the things that I ordered from Etsy stores. Touch relaxation. One's heavier than the other. Okay, so I didn't really want to order from this store, but I thought, well, somebody said to me, hey, order from the store. And I was like, oh, all right. Okay, so here's a slider, and this is made out of micarta? I don't know. I've seen these people on there a lot. Dude, my cat left. Okay. Oh, Sparkles. His name's Sparkles. Actually, it's Sparky. Okay, so it's decent. Feels similar to a 3D printed slider, maybe a little bit better. Okay, and I'll tell you what the prices are for each of these. Made in the Ukraine. This one was more expensive. This is, I think, a brass one, but I got it because it's Fifth Element. What? Oh, it's heavy. Exposed magnets. Quality's good. Oh shit. It's very heavy. Not sure if the magnets are strong enough for the heft. I'm trying to do a ladder move. Ow. Fuck, that hurt. Trying to do a ladder move. It's not doing the ladder move I want it to do. No. Well, you can't ladder with it, that's for sure. All right, let me turn the camera around so you guys can get a better look at this. Look at this stately gentleman. Okay, so here is the micarta one. This one's nice and light. Ladders, oops, sorry. It ladders okay. Pocketable, little slippery, but it's decent, feels nice. I think this one was fairly cheap, like 20 bucks. Then we've got this one I think was like 50 bucks. It's got nice chamfered edges, feels good in the hand, it's heavy. But the problem I'm running into is I can't, oh, here we go. Yeah, it's, the magnet configuration is not the best. Oh, there it goes. It's a little bit, it's a little weak. I don't know, it just feels weird. All right, you can't let her downward because it's too heavy. Yeah, but other than that, it's cool. Yeah, it's nice. I mean, I don't know about, I mean, it's okay for 50 bucks, I guess. I wish it was a little bit lighter so that I could do more moves with it, or it had better magnets, but it feels nice in the hand. This is nice. I definitely recommend this little guy. He's fun. Yeah. All right, I'm going to cut to the Etsy page so you can see what it looks like on the Etsy page.